Hey friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make baked, juicy, tender meatballs that are so easy to make. Let's get started. The secret to making juicy, tender meatballs is to add some fresh bread. We're going to cut up 2 slices of bread. Make sure you remove the crust. Transfer the cut up bread into a mixing bowl, then add some milk. Allow the bread to soak in the milk, then use a fork to mash up the bread until it looks like this. We're going to set this mixture aside for later. Next, we have some ground beef in this bowl. We're going to add some minced garlic, some parmesan cheese, freshly chopped parsley, 1 whole egg, dried thyme, dried basil, finely minced onion, and last we're going to add the bread mixture we made earlier, then season with salt and black pepper to taste. Go ahead and mix everything together very well. Once everything is well mixed in, we're going to start rolling the meatballs. Make sure you have a little bowl of water on the side. Rub some water in your hands before rolling each meatball. This will prevent the meat from sticking to your hands. I used an ice cream scoop to measure out my meatballs, that way all the sizes are even. Make sure you line your baking sheet with aluminum foil, then spray with nonstick spray. Place the rolled out meatballs onto the baking sheet. This recipe makes about 12 meatballs. Make sure your oven is preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, then bake the meatballs for 20 to 25 minutes. When fully baked, the meatballs should have an internal temperature of at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. The dripping left in the baking pan is good flavor to add to your marinara sauce or any type of sauce you're making with your meatballs. I'm going to cut open one meatball and show you how soft and juicy these meatballs are. They're so flavorful and delicious. If you guys would like to make these meatballs, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye!